Hello, tubies! We are gonna grill, smoke some baby back ribs today. Woo! It's a nice day. It's probably the last nice day for the season. So, yes, these babies right here. Uh-huh. My cooking sheet is a little wobbly. You see that? Yeah. I tried to have some other cooking videos for you guys, about 5 others. And my neighbor over there screwed up every one of them. So I couldn't put them up. So one day, the last time, I got so mad, I took this thing and wham! On top of the charcoal grill. Told him to get the F off my spot. Because I told him like 5 or 6 times prior to that, to no avail. Wouldn't listen. He gets all crunked up about political events and stuff, and then just comes out there and rants. There was nothing I could salvage from it, so I was pretty ticked. One was a barbecue, Korean barbecue chicken for you guys. 2 different rib videos and sauces. Mexican chili lime corn on the cob. To die for. I went back to get some more to finish the video, because I could show everything I did in here, but I couldn't show what I did out there. And they were out of sweet corn. So next year. And what was the other one? Oh, coconut, cilantro, lime rice. Because he kept hollering through the door while I was filming. He knew I was filming all this stuff all the time. Didn't care. When he gets cranked up like that, it just doesn't matter. He wants to vent. And I'm his target. So, I think I've scared him off. There's some other things too. So, so he should leave me alone today and we'll get through this. Alright, let's get going. I rinsed it off, and then you want to make sure it's real dry. Oh, what a thing of beauty. Now we have to get that membrane off the back. You guys know the drill, right? Try to get your knife under that little bit of membrane. I don't think I like that word. Like girth. I don't like the word girth. What words don't you guys like? I know. Lots of women say moist. Yeah, you don't want it to be too moist. Alright, and then you want to grab it with that paper towel. Let's see how well it's going to work. Am I going to get the whole thing? The whole enchilada? Yes, I think I might. Oops. Alrighto. What we're going for today is a Chipotle raspberry glaze. So, I'm gonna put this McCormick's Grill Mate Sweet and Smoky. Really like this stuff. I'm gonna go heavy on the spice. Don't I always though? You guys gotta invest in some spices, man. Spice up your life. Don't just eat things the same old way all the time. Have fun with your food. Okay. Garlic powder. Can never have too much garlic in my world. I'm gonna let this sit out and absorb these spices for about 20 minutes, because you want it'll draw out, the salt will draw out some of the moisture and make that stick. I could have put a binder on it like mustard. I was going to do it, but quite honestly, I forgot. So here's what we're doing. We're going straight to it. I'm just anxious to get this on the grill. The days are getting shorter, and I never know when that wind is going to kick up. So we're going to be cooking this low and slow, so it's not going to be a fast dealio. And I'm going to add a little Chipotle seasoning. Yeah, baby. Let's bring the heat. Oh, there's the door slamming shut. Ooh, must have a little wind now. Okay, there we go. Do the other side later. But you don't really need to do much back there. There's no meat. You're just seasoning bone. It's been about 25 minutes. I don't want all the charcoal gray because we want to do this low and slow, and that will bring some heat because I can already feel that heat, babies. All right, I'm going to dump it onto these charcoals. That is minion style, so that those will gradually heat up and keep the heat going longer. Okay, let's dump it. Uh-oh. I think I should have let it go a little longer. Wow. These don't... Oh. Alright, that's good. Okay, these are hickory and applewood chips. They've been soaking the same amount of time, like 25 minutes. Okay, we're business. Check that vent. You want it? I've only got it about a quarter or less open because I want this to go slow. And the more air it gets, you know, the hotter it gets in there. Woo! Smoking away. I forgot my thermometer. Okay, let's take a look. It's been 1 hour. Oh, nice. Okay, it's at about 300. I looked at 30 minutes and it was at 250. Yeah, it's not cooking too fast though. I should have some apple juice, an apple juice spritzer, but I don't. Now for the raspberry chipotle sauce. I minced up these onions. I'm going to smash them down with a spoon. I'm not sure why. I think this is a good idea. I guess to release some of that onion juice and not make it like, you know, so much that you're biting into a piece of onion. I could have put it on a microplaner, grated it, but that takes a lot of effort and arm work. I don't really know that this is necessary. Oh well. Alright. One large garlic bulb, minced, put through the little garlic presser. Here's the chipotle peppers that I had in the freezer. So when you buy a can like this, you know, very seldom are you going to use that whole doggone can. So just put it in a baggie and put it in the freezer. I found this chipotle sauce. I've never used this. I think it's supposed to be a little less hot. I'm not sure though. I'm going to cut this up on a plate because I don't want it staining my cutting boards. So I'm going to do the same thing here, kind of chop and press this down. These are two chipotle peppers, which will bring some heat now. Two will definitely bring some heat. So if you don't like that, just use one or just try that sauce. You could also just put this in a blender. I don't feel like messing with that. I don't know if the spoon is really helping anything. Makes me feel like it is. Because I got two hands going at once. Okay. Whoa, baby. I'm telling you. That's going to be some heat right there. Ooh, I just want to lick the plate. Now for the raspberry preserve. I just got this at the Dollar Tree. Pick something up anywhere. Yeah, I'm going to use this same spoon because I'm using this whole jar. Because you can keep the extra for other things. You can put it on a cracker, cream cheese. And this, you can use this as a dipping sauce for anything. It's a lot of preservature, isn't it? That's good. We need something to mellow out that chipotle a little bit. Now a little soy sauce, because it seems like a good idea. A little bit of that extra little umami-ness going on. Wonder if I should heat this up. Because this is thick. You could add water to thin it down, but I think I want it kind of thick. Again, you can put this in a blender. I'm doing it the old school. Just call me Homestead Claudette. No, don't call me Claudette. Please. I'm sorry for any Claudettes out there. Oh. My mother wanted to name me Haroldetta one time. Yeah, that's a pretty name, isn't it? Yeah, after her current love interest. I was a child. I told her she was out of her mind. No way. Yum. But you know what? There is not enough Chipotle flavor for me. There's a little bit on the back end. Okay, maybe, hang on. Can't make up my mind. Because there's a little bit of heat on the back end. I think that's good for now. Because there's a little bit, and I spiced up those ribs pretty darn good. So I think I'm going to leave it like that. Oh, you know what I'm missing? Some acid. Yep. The Happy Little Chef always reminds me of that. I'm going to use seasoned rice vinegar. Now you can just use apple cider vinegar. But I love this seasoned rice vinegar. Ooh, it's one of my favorites. Let's see what that does. Let's see what we got going here. Oh, yeah. That actually brought the taste of the raspberry and the chipotle out. That acid, that rice wine vinegar. That's better. Yeah, I think that's enough chipotle. After a few bites, you kind of go, whoo, my forehead is sprinkling. Okay, we're good. I like that. Yummo. There it is. Woo! Ooh, I can't wait to try this. Let go. Yeah, baby. See that juice squeezing out of there? Ow! Squeeze, squeeze, juicy, juicy Lucy. Oh, man. Mmm. Holy smokes. Wow. That's good. Yeah, I want to put some more of the... I want to put some more of the raspberry on it. Wow. Dang, that's good. I'm going to suck that bone clean. Mm-hmm. I'm being silly. Awesome! That is so yummy. Try it. You'll like it. Toodles!